grants women and girls true freedom, dignity and equality. I feel we can achieve this with a vision for social and economic justice for an inclusive development.
I am waiting for the day when we women are not told what we can wear, that it's a privilege we are able to get educated, that our parents cried at our births, the constant reminder of how to sit, how to talk and how to not talk with boys. Then I would wish you a very happy Women's Day. Till then, let's keep aspiring for the change.
All my best wishes to both the girls. Every woman's success story should be an inspiration for the other. We are the strongest when we find joy in the glory of others. Here's to the strong women. May we be them, may we know them, and may we raise them. Happy Women's Day to all.
I am Vanchika Lal of MVN Aravali Hills. MVN has given me the confidence to follow my dreams. It has taught me to support the right and voice against the wrong, to never give up in life and to always feel strong. I aspire to become a pilot and MVN is helping me to achieve my goals. It's time for us women to spread our wings.
I, Nitya Bachchas, a student of MVN Aravali Hills, have always been intrigued by the concepts behind fascinating aircrafts. That is why I want to be an aerospace engineer in my future. Being a girl in MVN has taught me that for today's girl, the sky is not the limit. I have been constantly nudged to accept more challenges and to develop interest in a field not so traditionally popular. With the support of my teachers and my family, I know I can surely soar high.
I am Lavanya Arora of MVN Aravali Hills, and I am truly grateful to my teachers at MVN who have shaped me into the compassionate person that I am today. I aspire to change the world and to provide for the underprivileged children. So, I aim to start my own NGO and I am ready to take up this daunting task.
Hello, my name is Rashi Sharma. I'm a student of MVN Aravali Hills. I've always wanted to reach such heights from where I can influence many people. Singing has always been my passion, and MVN has given me opportunities to showcase my talent in my chosen field. It has inspired me to settle for nothing but the best.
I'm Rakshika Kaul and I stand here as an empowered girl of the society. MVN has inspired me, supported me and provided me a conducive environment in order to achieve my goals. I aspire to make a mark in the field of medicine and support my country to my best. To all the girls out there, follow your passion, give it your best. Be an inspiration to all the rest.
There are many great women achievers all over the world. They are not only reaching the alpine height of glory, but also inspiring others to dare and dream. Much inspired and influenced by this ever-increasing number of women achievers, I too choose to challenge the social norm, partial autonomy and mobility, and scant social freedom to become an author. I wish to embellish the world even more with my winsome thoughts. My school, MVN Sector 88, is offering the students a level playground to avail opportunities to live our dreams and aspirations supported by the parents. I yearn to further the cause of women empowerment with my creative and impactful writing to create an equitable society. Thus, women, an epitome of peace, prosperity and progress, are sure to flourish our society.
International Women's Day, according to the dictionary, is a global day celebrating the historical, political and the cultural achievements of women. The day also resembles to come in support and fight against gender inequality around the world. But in real world, Women's Day is just a day where people wish women a very happy Women's Day, giving them gifts, doing parties and celebrations, and that's it. But when we ask the question to ourselves that are we really celebrating this day with its true sense, in its true meaning, or are we just celebrating it for the sake of doing so? I am blessed to have a family and my teachers who always support and encourage my ideas. They always encourage me to think big and to achieve whatever I adore. Here, I would like to quote the lines that my father always tells me. Defined by no man, you are your own story. Blazing through the world, turning his story into her story. And whenever they dare to tell you the things that you cannot be, just smile and tell them that I am both a war and a woman and you cannot stop me. So, today, on the occasion of Women's Day, let's promise that we will promote gender equality. We will celebrate this day every day and not let it confine to a single day. And we will give both the genders an equal opportunity to prove themselves. Thank you and wishing all the powerful women out there a very happy Women's Day.
Women's Day is one of the important days to celebrate the achievements of women. A day for praising women who work hard each day to accomplish individual and professional goals. Within the society, women have important roles to perform, from keeping the home safe and clean to portraying excellent outcomes in the workplace. A woman can do it all. Their capabilities must not be underestimated based on their gender. The 21st century has brought a new hope and has empowered women in a positive manner. Earlier, they were under the shadow of a husband or father, but now they have established their own identity and are independent. The journey of the liberation of women has crossed many milestones, and the society has indeed come a very long way. Today's women are adorned with patience and perseverance, which has helped them to attain the pinnacle of success. Women are now self-sufficient, well-aware, and financially independent. They have attained immense success in every field, whether it's sports, politics, or academics. Women are now marching side by side with men in every walk of life. I wish all the best to the young ladies in achieving what you aspire. May all your dreams come true. Remember, children, if your mind can conceive it and your heart can believe it, then be assured you can achieve it. Happy Women's Day.